Hey guys, it's Charlie with MetalWorks. Just taking a quick peek today at a motor combo we put together for our customer. We're doing a 53 Chevy truck build for him. It's a black original paint, patina kind of build, so we thought this blacked out motor would look good. The engine features some aftermarket accessories, mostly from Holley. As you can see, the air cleaner here with the match valve covers. And they're the coil pack hiding valve covers. Gives it more of that traditional look. And that's paired up with the Holley front accessory drive kit. These are super nice and compact, leave a good amount of room for your radiator and electric fans, and just really puts everything together nice and neat. And 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 and, and this is paired with a Edelbrock Performance Pro-Flo 4 EFI. The intake is aluminum, and we coated that in black to blend with the rest of the motor. And we've really had great luck with these Pro-Flows. Highly, highly recommend them, and put them on a lot of our LS engines. And 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 so the LS3 has made it up to a 4L70 transmission. And 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 so again, this is just a way to make your LS engine, look more more of a standout compared to just a standard LS3. And there's quite a few aftermarket companies now supplying stuff to do for LS engines or LT motors. Here's a quick look at some of the other engines that are currently in the speed shop. And got a Coyote motor hiding in there too. But there's just lots of ways you can dress out a modern LS these days to really, really look great. Like here's another one with a similar setup, but just with more of the orange color and the old dual snorkel style air cleaner. So here's one with a Borla EFI on it. That looks really cool. Some Cerakoted components. So lots of ideas. If you guys are looking for a motor or some ideas how to trick out your LS, give our speed shop a call.